In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to ChinaBank account. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what details to enter, and how to confidently confirm your transfer. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is logged in and updated, you have a stable internet connection, and there's enough balance to cover the amount you want to send, including any possible fees. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your dashboard. From here, look for the transfer option. This is the feature that lets you move money from your GCash wallet to bank accounts. Tap Transfer to continue. Next, choose Local. This section lists the supported banks you can transfer to within the country. You'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type ChinaBank. Make sure you select the official ChinaBank option that appears in the results. This ensures your money is routed to the correct bank. Once ChinaBank is selected, you'll be taken to the transfer form. Here, you'll enter 3 key pieces of information: the amount you want to send, the account name, and the account number. Type the amount carefully and double-check the account name exactly as it appears on the bank account to avoid any mismatch. Then enter the account number, making sure you haven't missed or added any digits. Take a moment to review what you've typed. Even a small typo can delay your transfer. When everything looks correct, tap Send. The app will show you a confirmation screen summarizing your transfer details. This is your final chance to review the ChinaBank account name and number, the amount, and any displayed fee. If everything is accurate, confirm the transfer. Depending on your app's security settings, you may be asked to verify the action using the on-screen prompts. Follow them to proceed. After you confirm, GCash will process the transaction. You should see a success message along with a reference number and the transaction timestamp. Transfers to ChinaBank are typically quick, but if the network is busy, it may take a bit longer to reflect on the bank side. Keep an eye on any notifications from GCash confirming completion. That's it. You opened GCash, tapped Transfer, chose Local, searched for ChinaBank, entered the amount, account name, and account number, then sent and confirmed the transfer. With these steps, you can move funds smoothly and securely whenever you need to.